Welcome to a powerful financial strategy. How you can start building your emergency fund and begin investing at the same time. If you think you need to choose between saving and investing, think again. By following this plan, you'll achieve both goals effectively. First things first, why is it so important to have both an emergency fund and investments? Your emergency fund is your safety net. It covers unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. On the other hand, investing helps you build wealth over time and achieve long-term goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. While it may seem challenging, it's entirely possible to do both. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. Start by taking a snapshot of where you are right now. Look at your income, expenses, and any debts you might have. Knowing how much you make and spend every month gives you a clear idea of what you can set aside. This is the foundation of building both your emergency fund and investment portfolio. Step 2. Set clear goals. Now that you have a clear picture, set some goals. For your emergency fund, aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Don't worry if that sounds like a lot. It's a long-term goal. For investing, start small, even if it's just $20 a month. The key here is consistency. Small, regular contributions will make a big difference over time. Step 3. Prioritize your emergency fund, but don't ignore investing. Here's the magic formula. Prioritize building your emergency fund, but allocate a small portion of your income to investing. Using a $200 saving amount example, put 70% into your emergency fund and 30% into investments. This way, you're growing your safety net while also benefiting from compound interest and market growth. Step 4. Automate your savings and investments. Automate the process by setting up automatic transfers so that a portion of your paycheck goes straight into your savings and investment accounts. This removes the temptation to spend and ensures you're always making progress. Step 5. Choose low-cost investment options. As a beginner, invest wisely by looking for low-cost options like index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors. These spread your risk across a variety of assets and don't require much hands-on management. Step 6. Adjust as you grow. As your emergency fund grows, gradually increase the percentage you allocate toward investing. For example, once you have 3 months of expenses saved, consider putting 50% into savings and 50% into investments. The more your finances grow, the more flexibility you'll have. Step 7. Stay consistent and be patient. The key to success is patience. Building an emergency fund and investing is a long-term game. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll be amazed at how far you can go in just a few years. Trust the process, stay disciplined, and watch your money grow. Now you've got a simple plan to build both your emergency fund and start investing at the same time. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, but about starting today.